today we are back with a new video in which we are going to be unboxing this case. Wow, imagine! And it is a case for Redmi 11T Pro.
Xiaomi 11T Pro.
Same thing, right? Kind of, yeah. Sorry guys, I don't know much about it. And this is a case for it which is superb. Like, I will keep the link in the description for the case. And let's just see some details. The MRP is written as $9.99, but we got it for
Only 199 rupees from
Yeah.
Amazon Jordan.
yes. And it says durability, shockproof, premium, and stuff like that. And first, let me just show the phone. So beautiful, right? So we wanted to show this part, so it's something which shows the part also. It's gonna be
So it's
amazing.
transparent from behind.
No, don't explain it right now. No. We're not going to explain it. Let's open it. Ooh, that's nice.
So that's a good packing for only 199 rupees.
Yes, very good packaging. Not going to let you see it yet. There's many cheeks. Satisfying mood. ASMR kind of. Ooh, that was satisfying. And here, this is the case. Now let me just explain it. It has black detailing here with transparent in this, what he was talking about. So it looks like this. See this? And it has some notch here.
That's for cooling.
Yeah. And this was also available in olive green, but we took this. This looks more classy and I like this more. So let's apply this on this beautiful phone. And I think it's very easy to apply this. Like, some cases are very hard to apply and remove, but this is like very easy. Oh my god, wow.
This looks real premium.
Why is this looking so pretty? Oh my god, ooh la la. Ooh, and yeah. Like, it has the buttons are very proper and they are not like.
So this is cut out for the side mounted fingerprint scanner.
Yeah, and
the volume buttons.
Yeah, there's like a line on the minus and plus. And yeah, it has pretty much. The thing for camera is very nice. And yeah, it is like.
And here at the corners it has this shock absorber so that it can absorb the shocks if your phone falls down, and it does not have a great impact on your phone.
Yes, so amazing. And I just love it. Anything you want to say?
So now we'll show you all the phone from all the sides. The camera cutouts look quite precise. No, I'll do that. And here there is the speaker cutout, the air blaster cutout, the USB Type-C port cutout, and the bottom speaker and the mic cutout as well.
And then dots here. I don't know for what.
Okay. So guys, if you liked our unboxing, please like our video. We leave the
link for the case in the description, and we'll be soon come soon with a new video.
Thank you.
Bye guys. Bye.